Hi friends, do you know how to set up to turn your wrist to wake up the screen? This video will guide you how to do that. There are two places to do the setting. The first way is to go to the store menu. Just flip from down to up. You can see an fixed icon on the screen. Click it, then the function is turned on. So let's take a look. This function is active. Then we'll turn around the smartwatch. At this moment, the screen is off. And then I will turn the smartwatch around. You can see the screen is turned on automatically. There is another advantage option we can set up to save power on this smartwatch. Go to the setting. Then choose the display and screen time option. There's another option that turn off the off-screen clock face. And when this option is on, so when you turn the wrist to activate the activate the smartwatch, the screen only shows the time and also the background clock face. Then you can save the power. Now let's take a look. Now the screen is off at this moment. Then I will turn around the smartwatch. Then you can see the only time is displayed on the screen. There's no clock face show at all. This function can help you to save power. The AMOLED display can have the longer battery life.